Yeah. There's a bit of a weird sound going on. Are you ready? I'm so glad because it's already recording, so I've got that.
It sounds so cool.
What's that? Come here.
Hello, no one is available to take your call. Please leave a message after the tone.
You know, it was an exercise for me to focus my mind and attention from the start. That's the process of art for me, hey? It's just about facing myself. Like, you know, when you're in a meditation state and you go within. So it was quite taxing, man, but the only reason I could get back to it with the same energy was because I think from the start, for me, the painting represented meditation. And not confining myself in one space. I don't think that's good for anyone. Even for the people, you know, the naysayers, those that don't understand, those that feel like, you know, when you move to a different country, you're running away from your problems. Now, people have a lot to say. We spoke about it the last time, but you find out they've never went anywhere. They've never experienced anything, but they want to tell you what to do.
If you'd like to make a call, please hang up and try again. If you need help, hang up and then dial your operator.